Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Let's discuss some factors that affect savings. So there are several, but the ones I want to talk to in this video are the following. Interest rate. Now, the interest rate is how much you're going to be making if you save money, or how much you'll be paying if you borrow it. Now, the interest rate is really important to make when it comes to making a savings decision, simply because you want to think about your intertemporal budget constraint. If the interest rate is high, then you by saving, you're going to make that intertemporal budget constraint less binding. You're going to be making a lot more money in the future if the interest rate is high. If it's really low, then you don't really get much from saving. The next one is expectation of future incomes. If you expect to have a lot of income in the future, then you might be inclined to just not save right now. As a matter of fact, you might be inclined to borrow some money because in the future you'll be able to pay that money you borrow plus the interest and still be okay. The next, but if if you expect your future income to be low, then you might be inclined to save some money for the future because you know your income will be low. So the amount you save plus the interest rate might be really nice in the future. Financial obligations is another one. If you currently owe money, then you might be inclined to just pay those off and save money for the future. In total income, if your total income is high, you might have enough money to pay all of your current consumption needs. There is nothing you need right now, you live happily, you have food at a home, you have a roof over your head, and then you might have some extra money to save for the future because, again, you're not going to be using it. If your total income is really low and you can't afford your basic necessities, you might find yourself in a need to borrow from the future. So you find a lender, you borrow some money, and you're able to pay your current bills. So that's how these four affect savings behavior in consumers.